Hello traders, right, it's Sunday morning. I thought I'd just make a quick video before I hit the beach based on the recent candles. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll know exactly what all of these are. If you don't follow me on Twitter, have a look at best forex methods and use the hashtag on Twitter, recent candles, and you'll probably find a lot of stuff pertaining to these. So last week I printed the weekly at the weekend just to remind people that we had a load of long wicked candles, dojis, hammers, scruffy looking hammers. There's a doji, and traditionally a hammer candle means at demand, support, whatever you want to call it, traditionally means a strong bullish movement. Inverse hammers like that one, or shooting star, whatever you want to call it, indicate a strong bearish movement. And as you can see based on the weekly charts, we did get a push down. We don't know in this case whether it went down straight away or whether it went up and down, but as I say all the time on my Twitter feed and video channel, you have to do the screen time to work out what's going on. Looking, back testing has a value, of course, but it's not as good as actual screen time. And if you can't do the screen time in the week because of work commitments, then you need to do, I suggest you do some on BTC in the weekends. It's all there to see. So weekends I check all of them as usual, but mainly the weekly. But I do check them intra-day and intra-week all the time as well, because for me they're priceless. As a scalper, they are absolutely priceless, because I've learned to read candles over the 20 or so years I've been doing this. I read them in my sleep now. So don't rely on me just to post these. I suggest you get MT4 set up, even if you don't use MT4. If you can't get this sort of setup on TradingView or CTrader or whatever you happen to use, then MT4 has a value. It's free, everything's free, all the indicators are free, thousands of them. Get yourself up to speed with it. There's no real excuse. If you want to make money trading, you've got to do the hard hours, hard graft as it were, hard yards as they say. So yeah, I suggest you set your charts up like this so you can flick through them at any time of the day. Superb for me that I like to spend so much time away from charts. So I'll just get back to my charts, look at my watch. I know what time it is. I know when the H4s all change over. I know when, obviously the H1s change over. We've got trading opportunities now coming at every candle close almost, because of the way I use multi-time frame analysis. So it couldn't be better in terms of trades everywhere. And the fact is, for me, it eliminates the psychological side, or almost all the psychological side of trading, because I realized if I wanted to be comfortable trading as a scalper, well, trading, full stop, making money trading, let's put it that way. If I wanted to be comfortable making money trading, I had to develop a way to find trades any time of day. So you've got half the psychological battle beaten. The only one that then you need to control is greed. Well, because fear of missing out, FOMO, goes away when you know you can sit down at a chart almost any hour of the day and find a trade. No need to get involved with all the market shenanigans, the big boys, the super huge money at news opens or thereabouts, because you can watch it push up because of news. The general direction of price, and you can just get in on the pullbacks. Wait for the hourly close. Again, another thing that timing will allow you to master. Once you understand the flow of the H4, the H1, the M30, the M15, even the M5 and M1, then you are becoming a precision trader. So I'm not here to suggest what you should trade with the new coming week, although this is a slam dunk big candle that may well give a little bit of a reversal in the new week. But we don't have to predict or guess anything. We just trade using the lower time frames. So, we can see this has hit resistance here. So all we need to do is drill down on the lower time frames, put a few levels on there, and work out exactly how you want to trade it based on the time. If you're there at the Asian session open, which I never want to be unless for some reason I can't sleep, then but I find the start of the Asian session pretty much a waste of time because of all the gaps and stuff like that. So just wait until it settles down, a few hours after it or whatever, and then then you're good to go. No need to take high risk trades, guys. Never jump into anything without a plan. And that's it. That's a quick look at the weekly recent candles. It's all there for you to analyze, all there for you to trade. And just a quick final thought on this. You know, we're looking for the big candles, as I mentioned. We're looking for dojis. We've got a strategy to trade dojis like these. We're looking for inside bars. I saw one just now, BTC and ETH. They haven't closed yet because they're still trading, remember. We're looking for outside bars. We're looking for every candle pattern that you can find, and I suggest you have a good look around Baby Pips. They have some great big charts of all the different ones, you know, it will look like this, but they'll have names and they'll have possible outcomes, whether they're bearish, bullish, or whatever. So anything that you find on Baby Pips can be traded by using multi-time frame analysis on candles alone. You don't need swings, you don't need all the squiggly lines that you get everywhere. I trade green and red, you know, green for buy, red for sell, and the same goes for my selection of indicators too. I'm actually watching BTC at the moment. You know, I've said what I look for on here in the videos and multiple times on during the 47,000 close to now tweets on Twitter since COVID lockdown. So it's all there for you guys. Just you know, follow the green, follow the red. That's it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.